many a times to quickly understand what is happening and how the calculations are connected, you need to walk through the numbers very quickly, and these are the shortcuts which will allow you to do that. Control and open bracket is our first shortcut in this case, which is a combination of keys. It allows you to select all the cells which are direct precedents of a cell. When we say precedents, they are drivers of a particular cell. Let me show you by an example. If you have some numbers on a worksheet and I am simply adding all of these numbers, control and open bracket will actually select all the cells which are direct precedents of a number on that worksheet. When we say bracket, we are talking about the square bracket. Now, if there are some numbers which are coming from another worksheet, then they won't be captured in this case unless that cell is the first cell. Meaning, if I have something coming from another worksheet, so let's say it is something like this. Now control and open bracket will actually take me to this first precedent cell, and now you can note that I am already on that cell. I am going back to my calculation. So control and open bracket, in case of a single worksheet calculation, selects the direct precedent cells. If you have a calculation where you have linked some numbers from other sheets to this sheet, then control and open bracket will take you to the first precedent cell even if it is coming from other sheets. However, it does not work where you have added another reference to different sheet, but that is not the first reference. So for example, now I am adding another reference, and you can note that using control and open bracket, I always reach this cell, not the cell which is below but linked here. So I cannot go to cell C10 in sheet 2 using control open bracket. That's a limitation of control open bracket. Like control open bracket, which points you to direct precedent cells in case of a single sheet calculation, control close bracket points out to all the dependents on the cell which are direct dependent. So for example, to cell D6, the direct dependent is 68, and you can note that it points me out to cell D14 in this case. Let's say there is one more formula which links cell D6. Now you can note that control close bracket will end up selecting both of these cells, that is cell D14 as well as cell F14. So control open bracket directly traces the precedent cells, the direct precedent cells on that sheet. Similarly, control close brackets traces the direct dependents on that sheet. You remember, sometimes we want to delete a particular row or delete a particular calculation, but we are worried if there is any cell which is dependent on this cell. Control and closing bracket actually solves this problem and allows you to find out if there are any cells dependent on this cell but on that particular worksheet. If there are any cells which are dependent on some other sheet, then this does not work. So that's about control open bracket and control close bracket. If you have linked some numbers from some other sheet, now let's say we have linked sheet C9 here. Now I am using control and open square bracket and it takes me to cell C9. I want to go back to the cell where I started from. So I'm pressing F5, which allows me to go to, and you can note that the last cell from where I had started is noted here. I press enter and I'm back to where I started from. So control open bracket and F5 and enter are used in combination many a times.